So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So will you ever cross path with someone meant for you? So we'll check this. Um, will you ever cross path with someone who is actually meant for you? So no false hope, only reality you will see in this channel. Predictions by Sia. So yes, I will check the reality. Would you really cross path with someone you are meant for? Someone in your dreams would coming into your reality, so you'll check that. Is this person really coming into your reality? Yes. Five of swords. Five of swords आया नहीं, but five of wands card आया, which is like, I would say, if I said five of swords, I have to consider the energy of five of swords as well. So yes, five of wands, five of swords, which clearly shows third, fourth, fifth, sixth, multiple parties involved in the situation. Parties, these parties are like terribly impacting the relationship. The second card here comes as the King of Cups. Five of Swords. These card, I would say it is the third card and it came out automatically as I told you people. So yes, the reading is on point. I told you I would consider this card and this came out. So yes, I am taking cards in front of you. I'm looking at the camera and then picking up the cards from the deck below. So, yes, the Sun card came. So, you can see the reading is like on the point. So, yeah, the Page of Swords. This is not something you can cheat upon. So, yeah, 10 of Swords. So right now, I don't see you are going to meet someone. You're not going to cross path with someone you are actually meant for. Someone you are meant. ठीक है तो I don't see you crossing path with someone you are meant to be. Also, I see you in some terrible pain situation from which you want to walk out. Like it could be a toxic relationship of your past. Like you want to walk out from something which was like really painful for you in the past. So Ten of Swords clearly show me the pain coming here. The Ten of Swords card shows you being miserable, crying, lonely, depressive. You could be having panic attacks for some of you, anxiety coming around. Also, I see a lot of people doing manipulation around you. There could be some person who could be actually helping you out, a friend of yours who could be actually taking holding grounds for you. So yeah, this person can actually be a ray of hope in your life. For 50% of you, yeah, you would cross path with someone you are meant for. For 50% of you, I don't see you crossing path right now in the present situation, because the case may vary for every person. If you want to know exactly for that, you have to go for the personalized reading, because in the general reading a lot of people are viewing the same reading. So take whatever resonate, read the leave the rest, I would say, rather. So yeah, if you want to go for the personalized reading, you can DM me in the number below. In the description box of this video, number would be provided. You can name me for the personalized reading. In the personalized reading, you'll get to know whether you will cross path with this person, how your future spouse would be, what would be, how would be your in-laws and all, after married life, your each and everything you can get to know from the tarot part. So yeah, where you will get the exact clarity and all, when this new person is like entering your life, when they can come, each and everything you can find out exactly. So yeah, 50% of you right now, currently I see this person can come. For 50% of you, I don't see a person coming right now. You in a terrible situation, stuck. People around you are playing a lot of manipulation techniques, manipulating you. Third, fourth, fifth parties. Also, there could be a possibility for someone you could have actually walked out of a relationship where there were third, fourth, fifth parties. So multiple parties were involved in the relationship, who were like actually negatively like impacting the relationship, or which caused you a lot of trauma, lot of stress, depression, anxiety. Like you felt as if you were lonely. So yes, I see a cause of fear. I also see you being in fear, you being lonely, you being alone. I would suggest you people to make a lot of friends with whom you can share. Definitely, the people with whom you are trusting, the people whom you are trusting are actually not your true friends. You need to realize that those people are actually playing mind games against you. You need to find true friends with whom you can be open and you can share each and everything with them related to your past, your trauma, your stress. You can share each and everything. So yes, also there are people who are playing a lot of mind games against you. I would tell you very frankly, you need to be very careful. Workplace is being toxic for you. There are people, there is one person I see who is actually taking who is taking stand for you, I would say rather. But this person won't be able to support you for quite wrong for long, I would say. Long time you need to stand up your grounds, you need to take stand for yourself, you need to defend yourself instead of just listening to people whatever like annoying people are saying. Instead of listening to whatever annoying things people are telling you, you need to take stand for yourself. Not definitely by being aggressive or being rude. There is a specific way of conveying your message as well as showing the other person that you are smart enough to understand each and everything. So yeah, that is a polite way. Politely you can convey each and every person that you are understanding each and everything, and that person should realize that you are not fool. If one realizes that you are ignoring each and everything, the more they would do things to tease you purposely, that person would poke you. So the only matter of fact is that. So yeah, you need to be careful. Or also you need to gain clarity. Unless and until you gain clarity in your life, you won't meet this person here forever ever. You won't cross path with someone you are actually meant to cross path with. So unless you gain clarity, you are ready to take a step ahead. You are having a confusion right now. Unless you are ready and you are ready to take a step ahead, no one can help you. You are having a lot of confusion in your mind. You need to have a clear mindset right now. Unless and until you have a clear mindset, you are clear about your feelings, you are clear about yourself, no one can help you out actually. So yes, I would say this to you. You need to take a stand for yourself. Also, you need to have that clarity. Then only you can meet the person who is actually meant for you. This person can be your forever ever, but things might take time. A lot of time is like getting involved. This person is not someone who is a fast mover or someone a random decision maker. This person is someone who would take their own time and mature enough to take the decision, more mature than you are, more sensible than you are, very mature thinking and very mature decision making, very smart in analyzing things. So yeah, this person has brains, but again, this might take up a time. You can go in a relationship with this person, but it might take a lot of time. So yeah, this would take a lot of time and energy. Plus you need to give time to this person, and also you need to give time to yourself to heal, to come out of this depressing zone and think, sensibly. So right now you are not making sensible decisions, like that is also coming. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and you can go for the membership of Predictions by Zia as well if you want to like get messages apart from Love Life would also be included. Some exclusive readings I would be adding in the membership again. So yeah, you can go for the membership. Again, in the membership column, a lot of things can resonate with you quite well. So you can go for the membership of Predictions by Sia also. A lot of things can resonate with you because of course less amount of people would be watching, and those readings are actually exclusive. Worth the money, I would say rather. So yeah, you can go for those readings, you can go for the membership of Predictions by Sia, and you can find some exact messages out there for yourself. So yes, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.